Everybody, welcome back to another Classics or Better. I'm Travis, and today I'm going to show you how to use steel wool as a very cost-effective method to cleaning the rust off your old chrome wheels. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so this is what I am starting with. It is an old 90s truck rim. As you can see, it has lots of surface rust in the crevices here and around the bolt pattern, and then the whole thing is just completely tarnished out on me. This is actual chrome, so this should work. If you just have the chrome paint, not going to work. It actually has to be chrome for this to do its job. And then I'm also going to take this wheel and tire off the truck. You could do it on the vehicle, but for my back, I'm old, so I just want to have it where I can stand up and do this the whole time instead of having to sit here and be on the floor doing it. Okay, so you will need a few simple items here. Get your 0000 superfine steel wool. Again, that's the 4 zeros. Get you a good rag, get you some water. Got some wheel cleaner and some chrome polish. All this together should pretty much solve our problem. So I did end up taking the wheel and tire off the truck and put it on the sawhorses here. Alright, so step one is going to be cleaning this as best we can. Use soap and water if you want to, wheel cleaner, whatever you got. Just go ahead and try and give it a good cleaning, and then we'll go from there with the steel wool. Plan is pretty easy. Spray all the some mosquito. What the heck? Get out of here. Get out of here, Skeeter. Okay, also, as you can see, it is looking a little bit better after it's been cleaned. It's still very tarnished. It looks a little shinier on the camera than it does in person. But all you got to do is spray this down really good with water, and then while it's wet, put that water down. You find your little spot of rust, and you just start scrubbing away with that steel wool. And it might take a couple times, and you might have to, re-wet it and everything. But as you can see, it is starting to polish up, and now you just got to do the whole thing. So it's a whole lot of elbow grease, but it's not rocket science. All right, so now it's just time to scrub away. So one thing I found that makes it a little easier, guys, I'm using the butt end of a paintbrush here, but I guess you could use like a paint stick or anything that's kind of sharp. Try not to have anything that could scratch your wheel, but to try and get in this fine groove right here, my finger's just too big and this stuff's kind of bulky, so you just need something to press it down in there. So anyway, food for thought. That just broke, so maybe something a little bit harder than that. Alright, so I'm going to call this one a success. It took maybe 25 minutes with the steel wool and the water. I did end up using this little piece of 2x4 to really get down into some of the hard to reach places with the steel wool. But check it out. I think it turned out really good. As you can see, I mean, it's like a night and day difference to what it was before. There's a little bit of pitting behind the stem here and some on the side. Again, you want to have the 4 zeros, so 0000 steel wool, the super fine. Some water, and then again I just hit it with some wheel cleaner as well, and I totally think I saved these rims, or at least this one. I don't know on some of the other ones, but this one I have saved. So if you see a good deal on Marketplace or something like that, go for it. I mean, if it's just kind of a light surface rust, you should be able to save them if it's actual chrome. So same trick works on old side view mirrors, bumpers, anything like that. Hey, thank you guys for watching another Classics or Better. As always, I greatly appreciate it. If you got some value from this video, please hit the like or subscribe button. Totally helps a guy out. But get out there in that driveway, your garage, your shop, whatever. Get wrenching, make your project a little bit better. And until the next time, my friends, take it easy.